Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney. I hope you're all doing well. And in today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup inspired by the burlesque dance of Voiceover. And then once I've done my makeup, my boyfriend's going to do my voiceover. So let's get straight on into the video.
Alright, so there's some glow stuff that she's putting on her cheeks and the forehead and the chin. This stuff makes your skin look good. You got this thing you're putting on your eyebrows now that makes the hairs go up and look neat. Now you got another piece of kit that you put on the eyebrows, which then makes the eyebrows look a bit better than before. And I think it's filling them in a bit. So yeah, it's filling them in. This brush is filling them in. Looks alright, I suppose. Yeah, this, I don't know what the hell this is, but this is sort of, I don't know what it's doing. It's making the eyebrows look a little bit better than before. And now we've got some sort of base thing that goes on your cheeks. Guess it covers up your spots. Then you get this egg and it blends the foundation onto the skin. And it's blending it out. That's what it's doing. Looks quite good. Looks really good actually. And you sort of just tap it on your head like that and it makes it blend out a bit better. And then I don't know what the hell this is. I don't know what this is at all. I guess it's probably for your eye bags and your spots from the looks of it. Yeah. So I guess you put it on your eyebrows and your spots and on your forehead as well, because it's probably going to be greasy as hell. And then you put that spray on to make it stick. And you use the egg again to spread it into your skin. The egg's pretty handy, to be fair. So that's all you got to do here, is just spread it in. Just blend it into your skin. And on your honk as well. And under your eyes. So that looks pretty good, to be fair. There you go. Works a treat. And now the next thing, what is some powder that you're going to put under your eyes now, because it's going to blend the makeup in more and look even better. So you're going to put it on your cheeks as well, and your chin, and on your honk and your forehead. It doesn't make much difference, to be honest, but I don't know what this thing is. No idea. You make a weird face like that and you sort of put it on your cheekbones. It might make them sort of look shiny. I've no idea, to be honest. I don't know what that is. It's the same thing, I think. I don't know what this is. I guess you got to blend this in as well, of course, otherwise it's going to look pretty bad. And put it on your nose. Yeah, more on your nose. And then more on your nose, blending it in even more. Effing hell. And now this is the makeup palette thing. This is where it gets juicy. This is skin tone from the looks of it. And you're putting it into your cheekbones again, doing a weird face, so you can get it right in there. I don't know what all that's about, to be honest, but and on the forehead as well. Mind your wig though, of course, you don't want it going into your damn wig. And then we're going into this palette again, using a different colour and putting it on under the eyes. I guess it makes it look more, I don't know, to be honest. I have no idea. Just blending it in more, I think. Yeah, right, another colour from this time. On the honk again. I guess it makes you look a bit tanned, I suppose. I don't really know what's going on here. The spray again, to make sure it sticks. And then you've got to make sure it dries, so you've got to do that a few times. Oh, God. Right, got more colours here. I'm guessing this makes your skin look a bit shiny, I suppose. So just put it all over your damn face, under your mouth as well, on your chin. Right, I didn't see what that was, but that goes on your eyelids and it makes your eyelids look good. You put it underneath your eyebrows, don't put it on them, because it'll look rubbish. Use the egg once again. Yeah, that's what you do. Another colour from this, I think that's the same colour, I have no idea. More of that on the eyelids. Whatever this black track thing is, that goes on your eyes as well. You need a steady hand for this though, otherwise it's going to look really bad. Bloody hell, how many products are we using here then? Right, we've got another one on the eyelids here. Got about 4 coats of stuff on the eyes. So yeah, we're just putting that on the eyelid again. I think you've got to try and make sure it doesn't go over the black line. And now we're using purple to put on the eyelid. This bit looks quite difficult, to be honest. So you've got to smudge it in really, but you don't want it to go over the black line, otherwise it's going to look pretty shabby. So you want to make sure it's blended in there. Right, another purple. I think it's a different shade this time, might be wrong. That's going on it as well, so going to have to blend into this other purple. Hell's bells. Yeah, this bit's pretty difficult, I think. Right, we've got another set of colours to use. Oh, God. Right, now we're using a pink. Now you just want to blend the pink in with the purples. Just blend it in, just keep rubbing it in so it looks sort of good. And just keep going and going. And now we're using orange with this. Now we're putting orange in there as well. Bloody hell. Make sure it looks neat. Now we're using a yellow colour to go right in the corner of the eye. And that's blended, I'd say, like a bit like a rainbow, but yeah. Now we're putting more of the black line on, neatening it up a bit, making sure it looks pretty neat. Now we're using Planet Peach and some glitter thing that you put on your eyelid to make it look even better. Yeah, just put a load on, just put a ton of that on. And then you want to neaten it up a bit more, and then you're going to use the black line pen and join everything up like a good old drawing. Oh, right, on the actual eyelid as well. Bloody hell. Right, we've got another set of makeup colours here. Bloody hell. Right, this time we're using a white one, so now you put the white one under the eye. And now a green under the eye again. No idea why, but it's going under the eye. Another shade of green. Guess it sort of blends it in more, I suppose. And now another set of colours, but this time it's a blue, kind of light blue colour. Going to be right in the corner of the eye and on the edge. And I don't know what this thing is. I think this is to do with the same thing that was used earlier. And now this is... I don't know what this is. Alright, so this is some sort of glitter thing that you put under the eye. Then you got to sort of curl your eyelash a bit to make it look a bit bent. And then use one of these... what are they called? I can't remember what they're called. Mascara, that's it. Mascara, that's it. And then you're going to put one of these fake eyelashes on. Just to make it look a little bit better. And then get the spider legs and just sort of neaten them up with the mascara. There you go. Bloody hell's bells. And that's the finished look. As you can see, really easy to do. Can be done in about 5 minutes. And now we've got to do the lips. So now we're going to use a pencil and colour in the lips a bit. With a shade of purple, I think. Some sort of purple colour. Or is it a grey colour? I don't know. But that's going on the lips. Make sure you don't swallow any of it, because it's probably poisonous. On the top lip again, just making sure it's blended in, I suppose. And that's the finished look, I think. I might be wrong. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Very easy to do. Can be done in about 4 minutes, if that. And now you just got to pose at the end to make sure that everything looks good and to show it off a bit. Really easy look. As you can see, very simple, blended perfectly. All the colours that you'd want to use on a regular basis. This is an everyday look, I'd say. Great. Right, it's dragging on a bit now, but yeah, that's the look. Yeah, done. Done, bigger. Peace.